you can go play house with the captain.
Oh, I do not know what you are talking about.
Don't be silly, Frau. I can see it in your eyes. Your face is turning all red. Anything you can dust, I can dust better. I can dust anything better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you
Yes,
can't.
I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Anything you can sweep, I can sweep better. I can sweep anything better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Anything you can throw, I can throw better. I can throw anything better than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you.
Ask the captain.
Seems like just yesterday I was a Frau for you. I used to mop so white, I used to sweep so well. You whistling for me at night, everything it felt so bright. Unbreakable, like nothing could go wrong. Now I can't breathe, no I can't sleep. I'm very Frau in Schmidt. Cause your Frau is, once again, I'm torn into pieces, can't deny it, can't pretend. Just thought you were the one, broken up deep inside. But you won't get to see the tears I cry behind these promising eyes.
Nazi captain.
Hello, Frau. We've been looking for you. I would like to make you a sponsor deal.
Well, what kind of deal?
We would like to offer you both positions in the Army of the Australia.
I accept.
Franz, you cannot just leave the captain like that.
Frau, this war is coming, and it's coming hard. I don't want to die. I know you do not either. Come with me.
I cannot do that to the Von Trapps. I am too loyal to them.
Sir, she will not come. Perhaps we can convince her.
Good, mate. Give it up.
Look at Frau. I will never pass for the perfect wife or the perfect Nazi. I'm not meant to play these parts. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break Hitler's heart. Is that Frau I see? There is grace that at me. Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Somehow I cannot find who I am, though I've tried. Then will my reflection show who Frau is inside? Then will my reflection show who Frau is inside?
Gretel is sick, but we don't have any more medicine.
But it will take me all day to get into town to pick something up. The Cultural Festival is tonight, and I was performing some songs with the captain and the children.
I know, but Gretel and I have gotten so close in the past year, and she really wants me to stay. Unless you have something to say about that. Or just your
Yes, you are right. But the children and I have been practicing so hard, I do not want to let them down.
Frau, I didn't go into every place. Believe me, the captain won't notice his housekeeper's missing. It's not as if you're family.
Yes, I will be back as soon as I can.
Real. Pack your face.
What is it, Gaylord?
They think I would have to place this into the suit. Berlin's offered me a commission in their navy.
Oh, Gaylord?
Well, I can't just brush this aside. I admit it'd be exciting to have a ship under me again. What I mean is, where's Frau?
Oh, she left. She said she had to get out of the country as soon as possible. It was becoming too dangerous for her, and she said she had nothing here to lose.
Crazy, that's me. Oh, right.
Once you decide, you're making my decision.
Thank you. I know now. I can't do it.
Of course not.
I'm going to have to leave Austria as soon as possible.
You see, they went on to perform at the Salzburg Festival that night. I was in town picking up medicine for a cold my little Gretel did not have. And here beyond present time, they left me. He left me.
Now that we have given you enough time to gather your thoughts, where is the captain?
I will tell you nothing.
God, you shot me! I should have known. You used to speak so highly of her.
You will be back from Nazi soon. We need to get out of here.
Thank you, Franz.
Frau, I'm sorry. I joined the Nazis to make sure you and the captain were safe. We know about your relationship. I wanted to do something. That was a mess.
I understand, but look at this mess!
Young Frau Schmidt, the subject of Maria's cruelty. Captain treats you so badly, he feels you're just a maid. Inside Frau, there's longing to do more than just clean. Slow sweeping, she's so close now. This Frau is half my age. Don't Frau so close to me. Don't Frau so close to me. The Nazis are so jealous, you know how Germans get. Sometimes it's not so easy to be the captain's pet. Temptation, frustration, so bad it makes me cry. Slow sweeping, she's cleaning, my arms are warm and dry. Don't frown,